स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन की शुरुआत की थी। अब इस अभियान को लागू करने वाली एजेंसी आयुष्मान भारत के सीईओ से ईटी नाउ की नयनतारा राय ने बातचीत की है। इस चर्चा में डॉक्टर इंदु भूषण ने 14 डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी कॉन्सेप्ट, उसके फायदे और उद्देश्य पर भी बात की। इस अभियान के तहत किसी भी मरीज की हेल्थ हिस्ट्री जैसे कि दवाइयां, एलर्जी और इलाज से संबंधित अस्पताल की सभी जानकारियां एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पर स्टोर हो जाएंगी, जिससे अस्पतालों के साथ साथ मरीज को भी आसानी होगी। टाइम्स नेटवर्क की ये एक्सक्लूसिव रिपोर्ट देखिए।
Dr. Bhushan, let's just talk about the health ID. It's going to be what, 14 digits long. What is going to be unique about it? Is it possible for an Indian to have more than one health ID, especially because it's not mandatory, and it's not mandatory to link it with Aadhaar either?
You're right. First of all, participation in the mission is voluntary. Whether you want to be part of it, whether you want to have health ID made, that is up to you. And we are hoping that everyone will create an health ID. You don't have to make it compulsory for something to be adopted. For example, all of us have cell phones, mobile phones, but it's not compulsory to have mobile phones, right? Still we do. So I'm hoping, and our assumption is that this ID will be so important that everyone is going to be having it. Now, you're also right that although we want to have a link to Aadhaar, but it's also not compulsory. We have a notification under Section 4 of Aadhaar Act, by which we can ask for voluntarily ask for Aadhaar number, but that is not compulsory, and you can enroll through your cell phone as well. You can go to a hospital, and the registration process will be much simpler. And you would see, when you look at all the patients which are lining up, they have a lot of documents in some plastic folder or polythene bags. They have to carry that. You don't have to carry that because linked to your health ID would be your all previous records, very securely stored somewhere. There's particular medication that doesn't suit you. You are allergic to some antibiotics. That will also be in the system, so they'll know that. And then they'll do your treatment, and whatever, I suppose you are sent for an X-ray, that X-ray will also be part of your health record linked to your health ID. And after that, suppose you were given a prescription for some painkillers, antibiotics, that will also be part of your health record. So the discharge summary, if you were, say, admitted, you are not, but if in the hospital for 2 days, and after that discharge summary will also be part of your health record.